Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Me, so far so good. It's been almost 3 months. Well, September, October, November, September. So maybe like 2.5 months. I did my second retie yesterday, and it took me, I'm out of breath. It took me about 8 hours to finish my hair. That's with me stopping and cooking and being a real person, you know? But I just wanted to stop in really quick and show you guys my progress so far. I finished it and I could not believe how neat it still is after these 2 months. In my previous videos, I showed you guys a 2-point rotation, but if you guys want to see that again, let me know. I'll be happy to do it. I don't mind helping or showing someone else. Let me just show you my hair. I still have the parts and such. The edges kind of grew back in. Thank God for Jamaican black castor oil. Anywho, I had the most issue with this part, so I had to redo that more than the rest. But that's okay. Like I said, look at this. Shrinkage is real. Yes. On a side note, I find that I'm getting more confidence with this beautiful crown on my head. But anywho, just wanted to say hi and show you guys my hair. So here it is. Let me see if I can show you better. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Or night. Wherever you are. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe to my channel to keep on this journey with me. And keep each other motivated, you know? If you're on your lock journey or you're thinking about starting, I wish you the best. Thanks for watching. Bye.